when the rounds were released, when they shot at me, I actually did feel the blanks hitting my face and my body, and I could feel the wind from the shotgun, you know, being discharged. It was heavy, it was strong, and I would talk to my fellow cast members afterwards, and we all agreed how intense that was and how scary and real it was.
Let's turn now to Rachel Fiset. She is a managing partner at Zweiback, Fiset and Coleman law firm. Rachel, it's good to have you with us this morning. There's been so much talk about what we could see in terms of charges, criminal charges here, who is liable. Based on what we just heard, too, from that actor talking about what it was like on the set and what we know, who do you think faces, the most potential criminal liability here?
I see liability for various people, potentially 5 different people, and including the entity Rust Productions itself. I think generally this investigation is going to have to be very thorough. It's going to take a decent amount of time to figure out what the safety protocols were in place and who was enforcing them or not enforcing them. So at the top, I see the production company and whoever the lead producer is on the show that was charged with operations. I even see it down to the director, to the assistant director, and I don't think the armorer is out of the woods either. But I think from the most general sense, it would be really taking a deep, hard look at what was going on set, and all of the information that continues to come out is somewhat bad for the people involved in this at Rust. The facts keep getting worse.
So what are the potential criminal charges then? Is it criminal negligence? Does it rise as high to manslaughter? I mean, what is the potential range here? And I know the DA has a lot of leeway here to see which avenue to pursue.
They do. I think the most likely charge is an involuntary manslaughter, which would be a criminal negligence with death in other states, but under New Mexico law, it is a death without due circumspection, and that is where we are, I think, going to see the most likely charge. And I don't think it's for Alec Baldwin as the shooter. I think it's for a higher up as it relates to negligence in general across the set, including the hiring of such a novice armorer.
Goodness, so many mistakes and, of course, a horrible outcome. Rachel Fiset, thanks so much.
Thank you.